Hi children, this is electrochemistry lecture 7 slide number 9. So this is related to Nernst equation. So the question here is this in this slide, this is 7th slide, sorry, slide number 9. So slide number 9 you are able to see this n plus bar m is equal to E naught mm plus bar m minus 2.303 RT by F. So ln is equal to 2.303 into log, all of you know this, R into T by NF log M by Mn plus. Now here in the next slide straight away they have given the 2.303 RT by F is equal to 0.0591. So how did they compute this value? What are the values they substituted? That is what we are going to see now in this short concept video. Great. So now if you see very clearly that this is related to a topic called Nernst equation, which enables us to determine the equilibrium reduction potential of half cell in an electrochemical cell. It is also used to determine the total voltage, that is a EMF, of a full electrochemical cell, and it is named after a German physical chemistry scientist, Walter Nernst, who got a Nobel Prize, who discovered this. Okay. Now, coming to the step in the slide, whatever it is given, E m n plus bar m is equal to E naught m n plus bar m minus 2.303 RT by NF log 1 by m n plus 1 by m n plus. I think that is what is given, right? It's just a single half cell. We'll just confirm it in the PPT once. Yes, this is what is given, 1 by mn plus. Now actually what will happen is, children, always what you will get here is very simple. So here actually you will get m by mn plus. So according to standard IUPAC rules, concentration of solid metal is taken as unity. So this is given by IUPAC. We don't have much to question up to IUPAC why it is given. It is arbitrarily selected like that. It is a standard. IUPAC is a standard from which we are obeying the rules, and accordingly we are following, whether it is organic or physical or inorganic. Great. So if you substitute in this, you will get E m n plus bar m is equal to E naught m n plus bar m minus 2.303 RT by NF log 1 by m n plus. Now always understand, in this formula this log part is there, right? Log part. This log part is very, very important. If you have a negative sign here, if you have negative sign before it, you should get log reduced species by oxidized species. Clear? Great. Supposing if you write the formula like this, if you write the formula like this, see, m n plus bar m is equal to E naught m n plus bar m plus, if you write, what you will get, 2.303 RT by NF log m n plus will come to the numerator. Okay, don't forget this is very, very important. So that means if you get a positive sign, if you get a positive sign here in this place, what will happen? If you get a positive sign in this place, so the log should come oxidized species on the top and at the bottom you should get reduced species. So don't forget this, children, this is a very, very important convention. Okay, now coming to this value, this 2.303 RT by NF is equal to 2.303 into what is our gas constant, which value you will substitute, 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole into 298 Kelvin. You have to take temperature divided by N into 96,487 coulomb per mole. If you take, so you will get 0.059 divided by N. So this is what the value, you have to understand how it came. Now if you substitute the Nernst equation, you will get E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N, 0.059 by N log 1 by m n plus. So this is very, very important. Okay, so this is what I was explaining you how you can derive, right? Thank you.